Do you want to create viral 3D AI photo but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video I will tell you how to create viral 3D AI photo with Nano Banana. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and search Gemini in Google. You will see this kind of page. Open the first website, which is Google Gemini. Then you will see this kind of page. You have to log in into Gemini with Gmail. Then you will see plus sign and upload files. Upload your photo and write this prompt. You will find this prompt in the description as well. Hit enter and it will take some time. After some time, image will be generated. Here we go. You can see the quality is very good, and this is the viral 3D photo right now which is trending all over the internet. You can create same images like this with few simple steps. So friends, this is how you can create a viral 3D AI photo with Nano Banana AI. I hope you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, please smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.